this video, we're going to take a look at an AP Calculus AB multiple choice question. It's a pretty straightforward question, but you can be kind of tricky because you've got to really pay attention to the way it's worded. All right, it says if the limit as x approaches a of f of x equals L, where L is a real number, which of the following must be true? All right, and the key thing here is must be true. Okay, so we've got f of x is continuous at x equals a. F of x is defined at x equals a, f of a equals L, or D, none of the above. All right, now, recommendation here would be to draw some pictures. All right, so the first three things, all right, can all be true, because if I'm approaching a along the x-axis here, and then my limit value would be here, I could real easily draw some type of function that looks like this, which would make a true. Is it continuous at a? Yes, the way I've drawn this curve it is. Is f of x defined at x equals a? Yes. Does f of a equals L? Yes, it does. So that could be a possibility. All right, however, you have to think about all of the other options and other ways that you can draw this, because it says must be true. I agree that this is true, but it doesn't have to be true. If I'm approaching a along the x-axis, and then I've got my limit L here, I could come up, have a hole right there, okay? In which case, f of a would not equal L. Then the function is not defined at x equals a. F of x is continuous. Well, that's not continuous. So the thing is, can you draw some type of exclusion to each of those? All right, so what must be true? None of those must be true. They can be true, but they don't have to be, because I can create a counterexample where these would not be true. So in this case, answer is D, none of the above. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.